we're starting off with 2 packages of our cheddar broccoli nor rice in our crock pot. Now I'm gonna come in with my broccoli cheddar condensed soup, and we're gonna add 1 can of this right into our crock pot with that delicious rice mixture. I absolutely love the nor rice mixture. They are so good, such a great variety, but we wanna make sure we empty out this whole entire can because this is a lot of goodness. And once we get the majority out, we are going to grab our chicken broth, and we're gonna put a little bit of chicken broth in here to loosen up any of that soup that is left. But I'm gonna fill up this whole can with my chicken broth. You can use whatever broth you like, but I just think chicken is the most appropriate because this is a chicken focused dinner. So we're just gonna kind of give this a good little mix. It's okay if it, pours over, but this will help get all of that extra soup off of the sides of the can and into our meal. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit more broth to this because we do need some liquid for that rice. You only need about 2 cups total for this super easy dinner. So about half of this box should do it. Now, there is no actual broccoli in this yet, so we have to grab our frozen broccoli. This is gonna add some great moisture, some good veggies. Such an easy dinner for weekday or, weekend when you wanna set it in the morning and forget it. But we are gonna add about half of this bag. You can add as much as you like. And now I'm gonna add about half of this medium cheddar, so 2 cups of medium cheddar right in there. You can shred your own if you prefer, but I love the Tillamook. The Tillamook is the best and no one can convince me otherwise. I'm gonna come back in with my little spatula and we're gonna give this a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined with that condensed soup, with the broth, with the broccoli, the cheddar, that rice mixture. And don't worry, the crock pot will create some more moisture. As the broccoli cooks, it will create more moisture and that rice will get perfectly cooked. Okay, just make sure everything gets well mixed. All right, I'm gonna kind of flatten this out so we can make space for our chicken. And I have here 3 large chicken breasts, but you can add as much chicken to this as you prefer, as much as you need. And we're gonna put that right on top of our broccoli and cheddar mixture going in there. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. And we are gonna season up our chicken real quick. We have some pepper, some salt, but you can season this however you want. I'm just keeping the classics. We have some garlic powder. And I'm gonna finish this off with some onion powder. You can hear my dogs in the background playing. All right, and then we are gonna flip these over so we can season the other sides of them. And I'm gonna do that super quick off camera. Now that our chicken is seasoned on both sides, this is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on and I'm gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. You can cook it for 6 to 7 hours on low if you prefer, but this is ready. It smells absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to dig in. All right, we're gonna start off by grabbing one of our chicken breasts best we can. Place that on our plate. And then I have a spoon to grab that broccoli cheddar rice. That looks perfectly done. It's all in one crock pot dinner. We have our carbs, our protein, and our veggies. All right, it's time to give this a try. Let's head into that chicken. Perfectly cooked. Yum. Get a little bit of that, a little bit of the rice for the perfect bite. It's gonna be really, really hot. That is so tasty. You guys are gonna love this.